Too small. And that's how you wire up a desk microphone with a new RJ485 connector. And I got this wired up to my Kenwood TK-760HG. The mic element. This is a General Electric microphone by Shure Brothers Incorporated. Dynamic microphone, model 19 Bravo 209694 Papa 1, assembled by Shure in Mexico. The mic element would not work with the Kenwood, so I replaced it with a regular, like a 600 ohm mic element inside of here, like from old Realistic mic. But that's the original mic element from this Shure mic. And on the ohm meter, for whatever reason, it reads up as high as 86K, 86,000 ohms. Kind of high. Kind of high. So, the 600 ohm element seems to work fine. Just gotta, I think I'm going to build a little microphone, little mic element, mic amplifier in this microphone later on. But we're going to try this for a little bit. This mic, after it was given to me, there was no mic cord on it. All the wires were cut off inside, and I just decided to put a new cord on it and wire it to a Kenwood TK-760. Anyways, there you go.
V01 TAD, V1 MDS 500. Go ahead.
Where are you at?
Nothing, just trying out this new, well, not new mic, but this newly rewired microphone.
Audio is a little bit low. Other than that, you sound good on my end.
Yeah, I think she's gonna need a mic amp put on her, I think.
An amp would work wonders on it, 100%. I'd say if you threw an amp in that, that'd be a wicked little desktop mic.
Roger that, yeah, cool. Yeah, that's my plan. I just want to get it working first. So I can always add the circuit board to it easy afterwards, easy enough. I got a really wicked circuit for that.
Roger that. Be back in 30 seconds, April. Just call this me.
Roger that. Anyway, other than the modulation on this being a bit low, how's she sound though, audio-wise?
Audio-wise, she's the best kind, and good, clear, and everything. Just the audio's a little bit low. That's the only thing wrong with it.
Okay, and if I put the mic up to me chops, how's that sound there?
Jeez, sounds like you're in the room next to me.
Right on, yeah. Yep, definitely gonna have to put a mic amp on her, I'm thinking.
Yeah, roger that.
Coolness.
It was just like I turned my volume right up that time.
Right on. Cool.
Which radio did you wire her up for?
I got her wire up to this one, the Kenwood TK-760HG.
Roger that. You must have brought your crimper home, did you?
Yeah, Roger.
Roger that. Yeah, that's a handy little tool to have around.
Oh yes, most definitely. If you got old microphones that you know, they get scratchy when you're talking on them, it's always these mic plugs, these RJ45s, right?
Yeah, but I mean, you don't got either mic laying around, do you?
No, I got no mic spot, none at all. I expect so I'll be at night now building the mic amp for this.
Roger that, not a bad thing to be at.
Nope, that's all. So, there you have it. And the original element that was in this mic, it must be for some weird setup. It was for a PA system originally. And the mic element is 87, I think it's 87 or 86,000 ohms.
Holy jeez.
Yeah, that's what I said. That ain't gonna work on this.
No.
So this element is 600 ohms, this one.
I mean, it's only a little over 8,000 less ohms.
Yeah, Roger.
Into that other one, I think she'd be a wicked old desk mic.
Alright, just say that again. Like I said, I'm just using the stock mic. Got that camera going, I'm trying to compare mics, you know?
Roger that. Both of them sound really good. The only difference is the stock mic, the audio on it is louder. But if you put an audio amp into the that desktop one, she should be a deadly old mic.
Right on, yeah, cool. Right on. We'll have to, I say that's what we're doing tonight now. Put a a microphone audio amplifier in that desk mic.
Roger that.
See if we can't kill the radio.
Hopefully not.
You never know. V01 TAD, V01 MDS on 146 500.